Today, I'll show you exactly how to adjust playback speed in VLC Media Player. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to watch any video or listen to any audio file at just the right pace for you. Whether you want to speed things up to save time or slow them down to catch every detail, you'll be in control. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your video or audio file open in VLC. You can do this by clicking Media at the top left and then Open File, or simply dragging your file directly into the VLC window. If you're just launching VLC for the first time, don't worry, it's really straightforward, and the interface is friendly even if you've never used it before. Now, once your file is playing, take a look at the menu bar at the top of the window. What you're looking for here is the Playback menu. This is the central hub for controlling how your media plays, from volume to skipping chapters, and of course to adjusting speed. Click on Playback and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, where the magic happens, under Playback, you'll find an option called Speed. Go ahead and hover over or click on this. You'll notice a submenu pop up with several predefined speed settings: faster, faster, fine, normal, slower, fine, and slower. These speeds allow you to tailor the playback to your needs, whether you're reviewing a complex lecture and need to slow things down to absorb every word, or catching up on a podcast and want to skip ahead just a bit quicker. Let's talk about these options for a moment. Faster is great when you need to breeze through something, maybe a training video you've already seen and just need a refresher. Meanwhile, faster, fine gives you a more subtle increase so it doesn't feel jarring. The same logic applies to the slow settings. Slower can be dramatic, but slower, fine, lets you take things down just a notch, which is perfect for music practice or breaking down complicated scenes. And of course, if you ever want to revert back, just select normal. VLC will instantly return to the original speed, no problem. If you're worried about the audio quality as you change the speed, don't be. VLC is designed to handle speed shifts pretty gracefully. Sure, voices might sound a little chipmunky if you go super fast, and they'll get deeper if you go really slow, but for mild adjustments, everything should stay clear and understandable. This is especially handy for students or anyone reviewing lectures. Speeding things up can help you cram, while slowing them down helps with note-taking. And here's a quick tip: you can always experiment with these settings. Try a faster speed for general content, and switch to slower if you're learning guitar riffs, languages, or just want to soak in every frame of a movie. And if you don't see the playback menu, double-check that your media file is open and actively playing. Sometimes the menu options are grayed out until you start the video or audio. Alright, once you found the right speed, just sit back and enjoy. VLC will keep this setting until you change it again, so you're free to pause, seek around, or even close the window. The next time you play something, you can adjust it just as easily. That's all there is to it. Adjusting playback speed in VLC is incredibly simple, but it opens up a whole new world of flexibility and control. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips and step-by-step guides, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see a specific tutorial next. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.